Did you know that we've explored less than 10% of Earth's oceans? That means over 90% of the ocean is still completely unknown. We know more about the surface of the moon than about what lives in the deep sea. Vast mountain ranges, underwater volcanoes, and entire ecosystems remain unmapped. New species are discovered almost every year, some that look truly alien. And the scariest part? We have no idea what kinds of creatures or beasts may still be hiding in the depths. The greatest mystery on Earth is still beneath the waves. So,